Prepare yourself for the Windstorm. This Windstorm will deliver extremely high multi-directional air output, driven by massive horsepower. We'll be traveling at highly productive ground speeds and will be accompanied by unmatched comfort, toughness, and performance. This is the Scag Windstorm. Designed with both the job and the operator in mind, the Windstorm stand-on blower will completely blow away any old ways of thinking about leaf and debris management. The Windstorm's exclusive nozzle direction system allows for easy adjustment of nozzle rotation and tilt, right at the operator's fingertips, giving you unprecedented horizontal and vertical control of the airflow to ensure thorough cleanup. Whether you're clearing a sidewalk or cart path, preparing asphalt for seal coating, or cleaning up leaves in the fall. And like all Scag products, the Windstorm is backed by a strong warranty. The Scag Windstorm. See your local Scag dealer today to learn more and experience the Scag difference for yourself.